Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's session I am going to discuss about simulator tool related to digital electronics. So this tool you can get from Play Store app. First I go to Play Store. Then I type the app name Logic Circuit Simulator. I already installed the tool. So after installing this tool, the icon is shown like this. So this is the Logic Simulator circuit tool. I just click on here. So this is the front end of this tool. I go to the new project, just press here. It's a new window. So in this window, the top one is the menu bar. So in this menu bar, they are giving many options. So first one is single. You just click on the single. You press this AND gate. You can choose the component one by one. So not a multiple component choose in a single time. If you want to choose the multiple component, you can press multi option. So you can press multi option, then you press AND operation. You can select the multiple component in a single time. If you want to delete the component, you just press delete option. You select the component and press delete. In single component, you can choose the component one by one. Multiple option, it select the component more than one component. You select the multiple component in a single time. Then touch option. So this touch option indicate the switches. So I select the switch. So turn on the switch or turn off the switch. Now I delete the switch. Then connect option. So connect option, it's like a wire. You connect the different components through wire. Then rotate option. So rotate the component orientation. So horizontal or vertical. Then cut, copy, paste the component and delete the component. So this is the menu bar information. Now I am going to give the demo for a half adder circuit simulator. So how to design the half adder circuit, then how to simulate the half adder circuits. So in this half adder circuit you need two components. So one is AND gate and another one is a XOR gate. So XOR gate produce the sum output, AND operation it produce the carry output. I just press multi option. So multiple component I select in a single way. So I click on AND gate and XOR gate. Then I need two switches for input purpose. Then two lamps for checking the output function. Now I place the component. You click on the component and drag the component. You can fix the place. And here zoom in and zoom out also available. I just press the lamp and move. So now I place the component. So here two switches for input purpose and XOR gate it produce the sum output, AND gate it produce the carry output. Now I arrange the connection. I make the connection. So click on the connect option. Then I press switch and XOR gate first input, and switch 2 I connect, switch 2 and XOR operation. Then these two switches, this two input is connect to AND gate. I just press connect option, the XOR gate first input and AND gate first input. Then connect, XOR gate second input and AND gate second input. Now then you press connect option. Output is connect to lamp, XOR output is connect to lamp 1. Then press connect. AND gate output is connect to lamp 2. So this is the simple structure of XOR gate. Now I am applying the input values. So here two input variables. So switch 1 and switch 8, 7 and 8. It considers A and B. So these two variable is creating the 4 combinations of input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here both the switches are turned off, both the LEDs are off. So 0 0, sum value 0 and carry value 0. Now I press touch button, then I turn on the switch one by one. First I turn on the switch, first switch, so 1 0. So in this combination it produces the sum output, carry output is 0. Then I change the combination, so another combination. I turn off the switch and switch 8 is turned on. Now 1 0, the input is 1 0. So in this case sum is 1, carry value is 0. Once again I change the input value. So both the inputs are high level. So both the inputs are high level, 1 plus 1. So 10. The result is 10. Sum value 0 and carry value 1. So likewise you check the combinational circuit as well as sequential circuit. If you like this video, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.